Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome to the 6th Kuala Lumpur International Conference on Social Sciences, Education and Engineering 2025 organized by Asia Scholar Network. My name is Dr. Muhammad Suhaimi bin Yusof from University Polytechnic Malaysia. Today, I will presenting my paper entire digital mobility and learning behavior within the humanities education perspective among university students using Grab e-hailing services. This slide explains the background of the studies. Today, university students live in the world that is highly influenced by digital technology. Almost everything in their daily life involves the smartphone, mobile application, and online services. Because of this digital lifestyle, students also rely on digital transportation services. One of the most common services used is Grab e-hailing. Students use Grab to travel to campus, attend classes, go to library and join academic and learning activities. So transportation is just about the move from one place to another. It is closely connected to students' daily academic routine. And transportations play an important role in a student's learning experience. It affects whether students arrive on time, whether they attend classes regularly, and how activities they participate in learning activities. And from a humanities education perspective, learning is shaped by everyday experience, simple daily practice, such as how students travel and influence their learning behavior, attitude, and habit. That is why digital mobilities like the use of grabs is important to understand students' learning behavior in today's university environment. Let me start with the problem statement of these studies. University students today face many challenges in daily mobility. For many students, traveling to the university not easy. Some students need to travel long distance every day. Other depend on public transportation, which is often reliable and not on time. Students also face time conflict, especially when their class schedule are tight. These mobility challenges can affect students' academic life. When students arrive late, their punctuality is affected. Transportation problems can reduce class attendance. They can also affect students' participation in learning activities. Although mobility is an important part of the students' daily life, there are still limited study that look at e-hailing services such as Grab as a part of students' learning experience. And most studies do not examine the issue from a humanities education perspective, which focuses on student behavior experience and daily practice. Because of this gap, it is important to study how e-hailing services influence students' learning behavior. After the understanding the mobility challenges faced by university students, the next question is what the factors matter most when students use e-hailing services like Grab. And based on previous studies, the research focuses on three main variables. The first variable is service qualities. Actually, the service qualities actually refer to the how students experience the ride, including drive behaviors, safety, comfort, and punctuality. When students feel safe and comfortable, and when the services is on time, so they feel less stressed and more prepared for learning activities. The past studies shows that the good service quality can increase the student satisfaction and support learning readiness. The second variable is pricing. Pricing is very important for university students. It include affordability, price transparency, and whether students feel the price is fair. When the price is reasonable, a student can access transportation more easily and use Grab more often. Research shows that the pricing strongly affects student satisfaction and access to mobility. The third variable is app usabilities. The app usability refer to how easy the Grab app is to use, such as easy booking, clear information, and smooth payment. When the app work well, so the student can save time and manage their daily routine more efficiently. And overall, for the three variables, the first is service quality, the second is pricing, and the third is app usability works together. So the influence customer satisfaction and also shapes students' daily learning routines, such as like arriving on time and managing academic activities. And after identified the mobility challenges faced by university students and the key factors involved, so this study that focuses on a clear research objective. The first objective of the study is to examine the relationship between the service quality, app usability, and the pricings when the students use Grab. And these factors are important because they shape the students' experience when using e-hailing services. So, the students they look at how these factors influence customer satisfactions among university students. When students are satisfied with the service, uh, they are more likely to use Grab regularly as part of their daily routine. The next objective is to understand how the Grab use become part of the students' daily learning experience. So the Grab is not only a transportation service, it also affect how students manage time, attend classes, and take part in learning activities. And finally, the student aim to interpret or finding from a humanities education perspective. This perspective focuses on students' behavior, experience, and everyday practice, and help us understand how digital mobility influence the way students learning. After discussion the research objective, I will now explain the research framework and hypothesis used in these studies. The studies is based on expectation confirmation theory, and also known as ECTs. And according to these theories, the customer satisfaction is formed when the service performance meets or match users' expectations. In these studies, the student have certain expectations when they use Grab, such as good service, easy app usage, and reasonable pricing. So when this expectation is fulfilled, so the student are more likely to feel satisfied. And based on these theories, the research framework including the three independent variables. This is the uh, service quality, app usability, and also the pricing. And all three variables are expected to influence the customer satisfaction, which is the depend variables. And the service quality actually refer to aspects such as drive behavior, safety, comfort, and also the punctuality. And application usability focuses on how easy the app is to use, including like booking and also the payments. And the pricing actually refer to the affordability and whether the student feel the price is fair. And based on the framework, three hypotheses are proposed. The first hypothesis stated that the service quality significant influence customer satisfaction. H2 state that app usability significantly influence customer satisfaction, and H3 state that the pricing significantly influence customer satisfaction. And this framework can help to explain how students experience with Grab can shape their satisfaction and daily learning routines. And let me explain how the studies were conducted. And this study adopt a quantitative research approach. Cross-sectional survey was used to capture the students' experience at a specific point in the time based on their actual use of e-hailing services. And the respondents of these studies are university students who actively use Grab in their daily routine. And these students regularly rely on e-hailing services for traveling to classes and also the academic activities, and making their experience relevant to this research. And the data was collected using a structured questionnaire. The questionnaire was designed to measure the student perspective of service quality, app usability, pricing, and also the customer satisfaction in a clear and consistent manner. And for the data analysis, SPSS software was used. The first described analysis was conducted to provide an overall understanding of the data. And the next is person correlation analysis was used to examine the relationship between the variables. And finally, multiple regression analysis was applied to the test the proposed hypothesis and determine the strength of each relationship. And overall, the research methodology offer a systematic and reliable way to understand how e-hailing services influence the student situation and also the learning related behavior. Now, we share the key finding of these studies. Overall, the results show that all variables have positive and significant relationship with customer satisfaction. And this means the service quality, application usability, and also the pricing all play important role in shaping student satisfaction when using Grab. Uh, Among these factors, the pricing has the strongest influence on customer satisfaction. And they show that the students are very sensitive to price, affordable, and fair pricing strongly affect to how satisfied they feel with the service. The next important factors is app usability. Students value an app that is easy to use with the clear information and smooth payment. When the app work well, students feel more comfortable and confident use the service. The service quality also influence the customer satisfactions, but to a lesser extent compared to the pricing and app usability. So this suggests that while the safety, comfort, and driver behavior are important, and the student give highest priority to price and digital convenience. And overall, the findings show the students highly value affordable and digital convenience. And then these two elements are closely linked to their daily routines and learning activities. Now I will move to the discussion and implication of these findings. Based on the result, grade play an important role in supporting students' time management and punctualities. When students can plan their travel better, they are more likely to arrive on time for classes and learning activities. And digital mobility also help to reduce travel stress. When students feel less stress during their journey, they can focus better on the studies and learning tasks. As a result, the student become more prepared or more engaged in learning activities. They are mentally ready when they arrive at the class, which important their participations and learning experience. From a broader perspective, grade functions as part of the learning ecosystem, not just an transportation service. It supports students' daily routines that are closely linked to learning. And this also show that learning happen beyond the classroom through the daily experience, such as like traveling and managing time. Students continue to learn, adapt, and develop important skill. And this finding highly the importance of digital mobility in shaping students' learning behavior and everyday academic life. Now I will move to conclusion and recommendation of these studies. Based on the finding, the students show that app usability and pricing are the main drive of student satisfaction when using Grab. Students place high importance on an app that is easy to use and pricing that is affordable and fair. The study also showed that the grade influence students' daily routine and learning behavior. It affects how students manage their time, arrive for classes, and take part in learning activities. And overall, the study highlight that digital mobility is part of the modern learning environments. Learning today is not limited to the classroom, but is shaped by students' daily experiences and use of digital services. And based on these conclusions, the several recommendations are suggested. First, the grade should continue to improve application usability and the system efficiency to support students' daily routine. The second is the transparent and student-friendly pricing should be maintained to ensure accessibility. And the third is the Grab should maintain consistent service quality to build the trust and reliability. And finally, the strong collaboration with the universities can help align digital mobility services with the students' learning needs. And together, this recommendation can help support students' learning experience in a digital and mobile environments. And thank you for your attention. This concludes my presentation on digital mobility and learning behavior within the humanities education perspective among university students using Grad e-hailing services. And thank you.